Your board is asking for an AI roadmap. Do you have one? India's boardrooms have changed, and I don't mean incrementally. Not long ago, every board conversation about AI started with the same cautious question: are we ready? Should we move faster? What are our competitors doing? That conversation is over. The boards I advise today are asking something entirely different. Show me the roadmap, quarter by quarter, with outcomes and with someone who owns it when something goes wrong. My name is Aparna Kumar. I have spent over 30 years leading technology transformation as CIO of two of India's most significant banking institutions and today as founder of Nexura Tech. I've written an article published on LinkedIn and in Business World that I believe every board member, CIO, and digital leader in India needs to read this week. It's called the AI Boardroom Imperative, India Inc.'s Roadmap. Several reports in leading national financial publications confirm what I have been seeing across my advisory work. Indian companies are no longer debating AI adoption. They are demanding time-bound roadmaps. Boards are inducting technology-savvy independent directors. Dedicated AI adoption units are being set up inside large organizations. And a senior partner at a global professional services firm has said it clearly. AI disruption is no longer a future risk topic. It is a core strategic and governance agenda item today. Here's what I have learned from my consulting work across BFSI, healthcare, telecom, and agriculture. The gap between AI aspiration and AI execution is not a technology gap. It is a governance gap. Most organizations have access to capable AI tools. What they lack is the architecture to deploy those tools, responsibility at scale, clear data ownership, accountability, structures, board-level oversight, outcome-based measurement. In the article, I lay out the board-facing AI roadmap structured quarter by quarter. Quarter 1, foundation. Data governance before any AI deployment, no exceptions. Quarter 2, 3 to 5 high-impact use cases deployed with human oversight built in from day one, not retrofitted after something goes wrong. Quarter 3, review and refine. The quarter most organizations skip and where most value is lost. Quarter 4, scale what works, govern what scales. 3 things every board must do in the next 90 days. First, commission an honest AI readiness assessment, not a presentation from the management team, an independent evaluation of where you actually stand. Second, establish a formal AI governance committee at the board level with a real remit, regular cadence, and independent expertise, not a subcommittee in the name only. Third, invest in board-level AI literacy, calibrated to your industry, calibrated to your risk profile. The risks in banking AI are not the same as the risk in healthcare AI. Your directors need to know the difference. The organizations that build AI governance infrastructure today will own the competitive advantage tomorrow. The ones that wait for regulation to force the issue or for a competitor's failure to make the risk tangible will find the gap very difficult to close. I've been in this field for 30 years. I've seen transformation succeed and I've seen it fail too. The difference was never the technology. It was always the governance. The full article, including the complete quarterly roadmap, is linked below. I'd love to know what question is your board asking about AI right now. Share it in the comments. Let's build that roadmap together.